Hey, Gretchen Yui here. Welcome back to my channel. We've all been there. You plan that perfect trip and you're excited for weeks, but the second you land, you're slammed with poor energy and you're just not feeling well. And suddenly that packed itinerary feels more like a chore. It's a classic travel problem, and people are always looking for an edge. You've probably seen wellness patches popping up online and some people swearing by them, but what's the real story? So, can a tiny sticker like this actually help you feel your best? Well, today we're taking a closer look at a popular wellness tool, the LifeWave patches. So before we dive in, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who needs travel wellness tips. So, what are these things? They are a unique form of phototherapy, and the patches work by trapping your body's natural infrared light and reflecting specific wavelengths back onto your skin. And this process is designed to stimulate points on the body to promote a general state of well-being. So it's important to understand that these are non-transdermal patches, which means no chemicals or drugs are physically entering your body. Now, as for getting them through the airport, LifeWave patches are TSA approved. So whether you're wearing them on your body or you're just carrying them in your carry-on bag, you are good, which is totally awesome. So let's break down the 5-patch travel system that I have personally found to be very worthwhile to use. They're my favorites for traveling. And again, this is just my anecdotal, I guess, use of the patches when I'm traveling, but they make a big difference for me. And the idea is to have a specific patch for common travel related issues like fatigue and stress and general discomfort. So the 5 patches in this lineup for me are X39, Eon, Energy Enhancer, Glutathione, and IceWave. Now we're going to look at what each one is marketed to do and what you should know before trying them. So first up is X39, which is our foundation patch, and it is marketed to support whole body wellness and improve energy flow. And who wouldn't want that when you're traveling? Number 2, next is Eon, Y-Age Eon patch, spelled A-E-O-N. Travel days are practically synonymous with stress, right? So the Eon patch is sold with the claim that it helps you relax and manage stress. And to fight that dreaded jet lag that you might have, there's the energy enhancer patches. So that's number 3, energy enhancer patches. These support your body's natural energy field without any stimulants. And number 4, we have the glutathione patch. Now, the claim here is that it supports your body's immune system and general health, which is important when you're hopping between new environments, I think. So finally, there is IceWave. Number 5 is IceWave, which is marketed for discomfort. And after a day of hauling luggage and walking for miles, these patches can offer targeted relief right where you need it. So if you decide to try them, you'll want to apply one or more of these patches to dry, clean skin in the morning, wear it for up to 12 hours. Then you take them off for a 12-hour break before putting on new ones. Stay well hydrated. These patches do work off the bioelectrical system of your body. So the better hydrated you are, the better they're going to work. The company suggests a routine like using X39 daily and maybe using Eon in the evening, or you could use it during the day right along with X39 during, for example, a stressful flight, and then using IceWave for specific discomfort. However, it's important to remember that wellness patches are not a substitute for medical treatment or a healthy lifestyle. So if you're dealing with persistent pain or fatigue or stress, the best first step is always to talk to your healthcare professional. So, what are your thoughts on wellness tech like this? Have you ever tried patches on your travels? And did you feel a difference, or do you think it's all hype? So, let's get a real conversation going in the comments below. And if you'd like to talk to me specifically about how I use those 5 patches on my body when I travel, and you don't already have a LifeWave sponsor, I welcome you to see my email below in the description and email me, and we can talk back and forth about that. I cannot give specific protocols or ideas that aren't company produced on a public platform like YouTube. So that's why I'm suggesting, if you're not already connected with someone, feel free to connect with me and I will tell you what I do. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and share this video. It really does help me out. So at the end of the day, traveling should be about the adventure, not about feeling run down or stressed. Some other important and reliable game changers for travel wellness are staying well hydrated, getting as much sleep as you can, and moving your body. Now, that's how we can truly support your energy and well-being and focus on what really matters, which is enjoying every moment of your next vacation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time.